Hello friends, I am here to detail about the experiment based on flywheel. The aim of the experiment is to determine the moment of inertia of a flywheel based on falling weight method. So you can see this is the rotating heavy disc. It is used to store, restore energy and release it whenever it is required. Regarding moment of inertia, so it is the quantity which determines the torque required for the acceleration about the axis. Similarly, if we talk about torque in case of rectilinear motion, so through the mass, how much force is required to get the desired acceleration. So, what are the apparatus required? Firstly, the rope with the knotted and hanger, some weights and a scale required to measure the height of the load. This is the vernier caliper which is required to measure the diameter of the axle as it is an energy storing device. So application of this, whenever we require extra energy, so we can use it like in generator where there are fluctuations of energy, and you can also find it in automobile sectors.